Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how AI-powered interactive demos can personalize every buyer experience and help SaaS teams convert interest into revenue.
Hello, I am David, an AI assistant, talking about personalization at scale and how we can create role-based demos based on different buyer personas. The main idea is to make the demo experience more relevant to the person who is actually watching it. Every buyer has different priorities. For example, a CFO may be more interested in ROI and cost savings, while a security team may focus on security and compliance. A sales leader may care more about productivity and revenue. So instead of giving everyone the same experience, we can personalize the demo according to their needs. Here, we can see how different personas can be connected with specific features and outcomes. By understanding what each persona is looking for, we can highlight the right features and explain the benefits in a way that makes sense to them. To make this personalization scalable, we don't need to build a completely different demo for every customer. We can create a common demo structure and use dynamic inputs, conditional flows, and different content depending on the buyer's persona and requirements. Personalization can also be done based on the industry. For example, a healthcare company may have different requirements from a financial services company, so the demo can change its examples, use cases, and messaging based on the industry. AI can make this process even more powerful. It can help understand the buyer's context and identify which information or features are likely to be most relevant. This allows us to create a more dynamic and personalized experience. The main benefit of personalization is better engagement. When buyers see content that directly relates to their role, industry, and challenges, they are more likely to pay attention, explore the product, and continue through the demo. Another important part is identifying buyer intent. Not every interaction has the same value. For example, someone looking at pricing, ROI, security, or implementation details may be showing stronger buying intent than someone simply browsing through features. We can implement this step by step. First, we create the basic demo architecture. Then we introduce persona-based and industry-based flows. Finally, we track user behavior and continuously test and improve the experience. However, we also need to be careful with personalization. Too much segmentation can make the system complicated, while too little personalization makes the experience generic. The goal should be to find the right balance between personalization, simplicity, and scalability. So the key takeaway is that we don't need to show every feature to every buyer. Instead, we should understand what matters to them and show the features, use cases, and outcomes that are most relevant to their situation. To conclude, personalization at scale can help us create more relevant demos, improve engagement, identify stronger buying signals, and support better sales conversations. The ultimate goal is to make every buyer feel that the demo was designed specifically